Let me tell you what I'm thinking about doing with this painting. Okay, here's this angel that I painted a couple of years ago. I love it. I've never sold it. I didn't want to donate it because I'll know that I'll never paint anything like this again. The background is oil. Oil is very hard to work with. I'm going to show you some close-ups. It's really quite interesting. The wings are kind of 3D. She's a pretty little thing. Okay, so I found these under my bed when I'm cleaning out. And I thought, I think I will change my bathroom and put angels in my bathroom. Okay, I found 3. So let me show you another one. I'm moving and I'm sorry. Okay, here's another one. They're kind of unusual. Now this is oil paint put on with, you know, something like a spatula or something. And then I take a rag and I wipe out part of it. This is all wiped off. The paint is actually wiped off. This is a PVC board, or a sheet of PVC, and then I glued it on top of a little canvas to give it strength. But you can't do this on canvas or even on wood because it won't rub off right. You know what I mean? Okay, I've got one more. I'm moving. Sorry again. Okay, I've got to move this one. Okay. Y'all just forgive me for all of that. Here is the other one. Again, this is rubbed off. Rub off the paint to make the angel. I'm going to show you a close-up of her hair. See, I just rubbed it off with a cloth. Here's her wings. Now, I sold a bunch of these several years ago, and I tried to do them all at the same time because they're so messy. I mean, your nails turn, it's just awful. And I kept these 2 because I know I'm not ever going to do this again because it's too difficult. So I'm going to go take down all the stuff in my bathroom and put these 3 up, and I will be back shortly. I was going to show you one other thing about this painting. It's very subtle. I'm sure you didn't notice it before. But down here at the bottom, these are names of our God. You can see God and Son and part of Emmanuel. There's Jesus at the bottom. Yahweh's there. I know you can't see it, but just a few. I just thought that was kind of special. Okay, I'm going to remind you what my bathroom looks like. Let me just walk in there. Okay, my bathroom is dedicated to Ocracoke Island. It's off the coast of North Carolina. I have this big ocean painting in here that says, "Be still and know." Okay, I have this little shelf here, and up above it is my oldest son, and all my grandkids, except for one who didn't go on the trip. This is on Ocracoke Island. If you will see the boy standing up, that is Curtis, our sweet Kurt. Okay, over here is an ocean drawing, painting, looks like watercolor, that my 6-year-old granddaughter made me years and years ago. She was in the 1st grade. I've always kept it. I love it. Her name is Alex. She just finished college and she's taking a year off before she starts to law school. Long time between now and that picture. Okay, this picture I bought on Ocracoke Island. It's just different scenes from Ocracoke. I love it. I love the colors. And up there are actual seashells from Ocracoke. So this bathroom is dedicated to Ocracoke. I'm ready to change it. I'm thinking about angels. Okay guys, this is a welcome change. It's not as crowded looking. I love this angel. And of course, my favorite angel of all is my Curtis James. He was sound asleep and still had a smile on his face. Okay. Thank you guys. I love you all. Love's coming your way.